Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Today, the video starts on a rainy morning. It's actually very early in the morning, 9 a.m. But as you can see, it's already raining. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I told you these days it's now a rainy season, so it rains now and then. So you see, so still early morning, but a rain is already here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's already raining. But anyway, it is what it is. We have to do what we are supposed to do. You can't let rain stop you. Yeah, unless it is so heavy that you cannot move. But today I have a busy schedule. I'm gonna be sharing with you. I have a busy schedule, guys, today. I don't know if I should continue. I don't know if I should stop here and wait for the rain to finish first. But it's also unpredictable. You cannot tell how long it will last. You may think it's gonna take a little time and it rains for ages, or I don't know. I want to see if I can get a border somewhere over there, and then I head to Rev Corner because I have a few things to do which are very important. I'll be sharing with you, but I'm heading to the village, my ancestral village, where my roots are. So it's where I'm heading to right now, but because of rain, I will have to first post this video from here, and then I see if I can get a border, and then we shall talk. I will tell you more. I will tell you why I'm going to the village this early morning. Moreover, on a rain, I think I need to do this. Now, this is Boma, guys, and I don't know if my camera is still. Yeah, it is still okay. This is Boma, guys, and it is early morning, 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm trying to make sure I reach Rev Corner as early as possible. I expect to find a border there. But since it's raining, I may even fail to get one, so I don't know. I just have to keep fingers crossed. Oh, guys, I think I've made a wrong decision. Yeah, I've made a wrong decision. I should have waited because the rain is too much and I can't see a border now. So that's also another problem. Hopefully I should have waited anyway. Guys, I have to turn off this camera because I'm using my phone to record, and my phone is not these expensive phones which are water resistant. Mine can shut down right now. So I just have to be very careful. Now you see what's funny? I'm even calling a border guy. Every border I call, they go. I think they are also running against rain. You see? So I'll have to stand here and wait for one. If I'm lucky, it will come. If I'm unlucky, then it will rain on me till I don't know, guys, what I'm supposed to do right now because you see, it's raining heavily. What? Let me see if this one can. Ah, that one is going the other side. So honestly, I don't know if I will be able to get a border board.
Who dances under the sun with a heartbeat echoing through everyone. His laughter's like a river that flows from the mountains down to the valleys below. Oh, Didanaruho, the pride of Uganda, spreading joy from Kampala to Jinja. Oh, Didanaruho, our shining star, guiding Africa's dreams near and far. Didanaruho stands tall like a baobab tree, with stories of Africa, wild and free. His voice calls out from the savannah plains, bringing life to our lands in rhythmic refrains. Oh, Didanaruho, the pride of Uganda, spreading joy from Kampala to Jinja. Oh, Didanaruho, our shining star, guiding Africa's dreams near and far. From the Nile source to the Serengeti, Didanaruho sings our hearts steady. With every beat, every word he speaks, he shows the world Africa's mystique. Didanaruho's smile like the sunrise, painting colors on our endless skies. He wears his roots like a regal crown, lifting Africa up, never letting us down. Stands tall like a baobab tree, with stories of Africa, wild and free. His voice calls out from the savannah plains, bringing life to our lands in rhythmic refrains. Oh, Didanaruho, the pride of Uganda, spreading joy from Kampala to Jinja. Oh, Didanaruho, our shining star, guiding Africa's dreams near and far. From the Nile source to the Serengeti, Didanaruho sings our hearts steady. With every beat, every word he speaks, he shows the world Africa's mystique. Didanaruho smile like the sunrise, painting colors on our endless skies. He wears his roots like a regal crown, lifting Africa up, never letting us down.
So guys, right about now I'm in Rev Corner, but it is still raining, so guys, the rain is too much, but I have to go and I have to maneuver because I have to be home in time. So even if it rains, I have to go. And guys, there is a market over there. So guys, I have to look for a public means car. When I say public means, I mean a taxi. So yeah, we don't have Uber because where I'm heading to, it's a long distance. So you cannot take a Uber. I don't even know if we have Uber in Mbara here. But I have to look for a public transport, like a taxi or any other car which can be heading, which actually is heading home. So I'm gonna be here and I wait for one. If it, I don't know if I will be able to get it on time, but I'll keep you posted.
Zera Ziban. Ziban Darwin.
So hello guys, I'm actually still on the journey. I came with a car over there. That one over there. That's a public means of it's a public means of transport. So right about now I'm in Wizwera. I don't know if you know Wizwera. If you have ever been here, you know. But I will tell you more about this town here where I'm heading to right now. I will tell you more about this town. But this is the main town of Mbara district. Guys, there is Mbara district and Mbara city. Okay. And this is actually over here. This is the main town, the main town from Mbara district. And then over there we have Mbara city. But this is the main town from Mbara district. This is where, and actually this is my main town here. Okay, this is my hometown, my village town. This one here is my village town. So it is the nearest town from home. I didn't tell you why I'm heading home, guys. Now, actually, you may see a smile on my face and you think things are okay. But trust me, things are not fine. I lost a very close relative. Actually, I lost my uncle. And he's very, very close to me. At his young age, he was just 24 years and he's a police officer. So none of us knows if he was shot or if he shot himself. We don't know if it was murder or suicide. We are also waiting for the police statement. But he died a few days ago. And actually the burial is today, so it is where I'm heading to. And that's the reason actually why I'm heading home. So this is Mbara district town. I don't know how I should call it, but the reason why this is the main town is the headquarters of the district are here, in this small town here. That's where the district headquarters are located here. Mbara district headquarters are located here. And then the city, that's where we have Mbara city and Mbara district. Yeah, and this is my main hometown. But I rarely come here. That is the truth. I rarely come here. I rarely come here. I rarely come here. But this is my town. So in case you come from Wizuwela, in case you come from here, kindly give the video a like, and you can actually go to the comment section and tell me, hey, I'm from there. So guys, from here, I want to get a border. And then the border will actually take me straight home. And then I attend the burial, but it is a sad day for me today. It's a very sad day for me. So this is Wizuwela, guys. This is my hometown, though I'm not always here. I come here occasionally. I come here occasionally, guys. But it's my main town, you know. And I think a few years from now, this small town here will grow into a bigger town. Considering the fact that the main district headquarters are located here. So I think they will do something about it. At least they make sure they try to, they develop it so that it becomes a bigger town. Because Mbara district is one of the best districts we have in the country. So now that the headquarters are located here, then they probably have to do something about it. I guess maybe in the near future, or maybe a few years from now, maybe a few months from now, they'll have to do something about this town. Probably the leaders will have to do something about this town, maybe a few years from now. I don't know, but that's it. So I'm gonna be getting a border. I'll be getting a border, and then I go straight home. Today I have to attend the burial. I lost my uncle, so it is a sad story. It is a very, very, very sad story for me. I'll tell you more probably when I reach home. I will tell you more when I reach home. But for now, let's enjoy the journey. So I will tell you more when I reach home. But for now, let's enjoy the journey, guys. From here, I want to get a border and then up to home. Can't think one can Mwana kanazasta manza star homa zine sumu ninjire manteje leyo kandi kine namba ninta kazire be namba ze sumu no kutakazire yaba
dances under the sun with a heartbeat echoing through everyone. His laughter's like a river that flows from the mountains down to the valleys below. Oh, Didanaruho, the pride of Uganda, spreading joy from Kampala to Jinja. Oh, Didanaruho, our shining star, guiding Africa's dreams near and far. Didanaruho stands tall like a baobab tree, with stories of Africa, wild and free. His voice calls out from the savannah plains, bringing life to our lands in rhythmic refrains. Oh, Didanaruho, the pride of Uganda, spreading joy from Kampala to Jinja. Oh, Didanaruho, our shining star, guiding Africa's dreams near and far. From the Nile source to the Serengeti, Didanaruho sings our hearts steady. With every beat, every word he speaks, he shows the world Africa's mystique. Didanaruho's smile like the sunrise, painting colors on our endless skies. He wears his roots like a regal crown, lifting Africa up, never letting us down. Stands stands tall like a baobab tree, with stories of Africa, wild and free. His voice calls out from the savannah plains, bringing life to our lands in rhythmic refrains. Oh, Didanaruho, the pride of Uganda, spreading joy from Kampala to Jinja. Oh, Didanaruho, our shining star, guiding Africa's dreams near and far. From the Nile source to the Serengeti, Didanaruho sings our hearts steady. With every beat, every word he speaks, he shows the world Africa's mystique. Didanaruho smile like the sunrise, painting colors on our endless skies. He wears his roots like a regal crown, lifting
So, guys, I'm actually in the village already. So, I think I should tell you the story now, how it went. Okay, I should now tell you the story how it went and why I'm here. Chamchasharirot. Sorry. Mm. Mm. Nikokwe. So guys, Nukwabiri chamj. So I lost my uncle. Okay, my young uncle, because I'm older than him. He's just 20 something, like 23 years. And he was a police officer in Kampala. The news coming in, some are saying he shot himself, others are saying they shot him. But you know, he died. So it's a long story. That's why I'm actually in the village. Guys, I've never showed you my village. It's my first time actually to show you. I'm happy people are doing agriculture because it's actually a rainy season. Even up right now, it is still raining, guys. You know, it's a rainy season. So, and this is the village setup, you know. If you've been to the villages before, you know what I mean, you know. Almost everyone is trying to do agriculture. And that's a very good thing because agriculture is the backbone of the economy here in Uganda. I'm always telling you. Okay, so this is my village, guys. Welcome to my village. I haven't gone home already because I've called home and they are telling me no one is there. So they are all at the barrio. So I have no reason to go home now. I need to first go to the barrio. Then probably we shall go home later in the evening when I'm done with the barrio. So I'll probably go home in the evening with the rest of the family after the barrio. But for now, I need to first head to the barrio, guys. But anyway, thank you so much. I'm very low. Like I told you, it is a very sad day for me. I'm not strong enough today because of what happened. Has been a very young man, okay? A very young man, very promising, you know. And he just dies like that, which is not a good thing. So that's why I'm telling you, I feel low. You know, death is something that is natural. Sometimes we have to admit and accept death is natural, but again, sometimes you're like, why God? Why now? Or why him? Of course, you don't wish anyone to die. But sometimes you're like, why? Huh? Why at this time? Among all the people, why him? But of course, when you say that, some people will be like, hey, so you wanted someone else to die, not him. But that's not the case. But, you know, sometimes things be hard and be like, God, he shouldn't be the one. He shouldn't be the one. But you have nothing to do. Yes. This is my village. I've never made a village video. Maybe I'll get time, come to the village and do videos here so that you can actually get to know my village better, because all my videos are always based in town. But this is a village. It is called Karienge. That is the name of the village. And it is in Mbara district. Okay. This is Mbara district. And people here still have a lot of land. And actually, people still have idle land. When I say idle land, I mean, can you see, guys? Just see. People still have idle land. I'm telling you. They don't even know how to utilize land. And you know what is funny? What is funny is someone will have so many acres of land, like how you see, but then they are still poor. Don't ask me why, but someone will have this whole big piece of land, but they are still poor. I think that's why they say Africans, we are poor, because the reason is most of the people, they don't know how to utilize their land. They will have this big space and they are still poor. So the burial is right there. That's the home of the deceased. And guys, this is a party. This is a burial. It's not a party. So I have to respect people. I'll switch off my camera and then we shall talk later. But for now, guys, bear with me. We shall add on. For now, let me first. We need to pay respect to the deceased.
Baby, tira baby. Family, ya Derek tira baby. Akizagara kundemush. Then finally, family jani ergayo tija gererka. Then your family ya tira baby. Mevare.
Webari mnunga mkama kandi ntango bushobozi kubona tumanyangu byona niwe byona muri byona bwen hati twakumarira kushendekerezo ndi rwa mgenzi witu otamana gomo hamwe na gomo abakugenda mbyiruka by'imiringo yono batwari kandi okutira mnongo gumeneke baragaza amaroba humwe kandi ntango bushobozi kubona ko rero tebekana semyanya iyo tamwa bakorire tubekanise muno n'ugumugiryo kandi twakushaba tumangu noza gukora uko by'ubushobozi bubona Yesu Kristo mukama wacu. Amen. Shagubarinde tabargaho hati. Amen.
Hello guys, good evening once again. It's a beautiful evening. Anyway, finally I'm back in Barara. I'm from the Balio, Right about now, it's about 6:30 p.m. It's approaching 7 p.m. in the evening. Hope you guys are doing fine. Finally, the day is about to end. I'm from home, from the village. So I didn't show you enough of what I did today in the village, but as you know, it was burial. So, and we respect death, especially when it's burial. You have to respect people who have come to bury. We kind of give them respect. Yeah, we give them respect. So right about now, I'm heading to work again. Man, hustle, hustle, hustle. You hustle in the morning, you hustle in the afternoon, you hustle in the evening. So right about now, I'm heading back. I'm heading to work again. I need to do a few things that I didn't do actually in the morning, because I was supposed to do some things in the morning, and then some I didn't do them. But right about now, I have to go and make sure I finish all I was supposed to do today, and then we can probably call it a day. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing fine. Thank you so much. If you're still watching the video, kindly give it a like, kindly subscribe, and go to that comment section if you want, anyway, if you wish, and say something about the video. Okay, guys, it's evening, and as you can see, some over there are playing golf, because this is a golf course. So some people there are playing golf, as you can see over there. You see, guys, because it's evening, people are from work. Yeah, people are from work. This is what happens in the evening, guys. People, especially those guys who have those people who work in the offices. You go there in the morning, 8 in the morning, you work 8 hours up to 5 there, 6, 7 in the evening. You're busy working. So by now, at this time, that's when people are leaving offices and heading back to their homes, their respective homes. Yeah, so in case you're wondering, the sun is setting. You see that beautiful sunset over there? I don't know if you guys you can be able to see it. I don't know if my phone is doing justice to that beautiful sunset, but it's very beautiful. That one over there, that's a beautiful sunset. In Africa, you can witness the sunrise, you witness the sunset. You see that one over there, guys? That is Africa. The sun is setting. Yeah. The sun is setting. And if you're careful enough, you can also see the sun rising in the morning, and you see the sun setting in the evening. That is the beauty of Africa. Anyway, you see over there, that's a very beautiful sunset. You see it, guys? Very beautiful sunset. Very beautiful. That one over there, it's a beautiful sunset. If you've been watching my videos, then you probably know this place, because I'm always passing here every day. So if you've been watching my videos, you very well know that place. Yeah, So there is a church over there, guys. That one. It is called Fanelo.
I'm saying this.
Fanelo. So there is a church called Fanelo over there. And most people who pray from that church, actually, they are youth, young ladies and young men, okay? They're the ones who pray from that church. It's called Fanelo. I know you know Fanelo, you've heard of Fanelo before. So most of the people who pray from there, they are young men and women of God. Very young, youth. Bebasabila mchache eyo, bebaita Fanelo. Where is my sunset? I want to show you again. I don't know if I will be able to get it, but it's probably here. I guess now it's going to be so much beautiful. Wow. You see that, guys? You see? Beautiful sunset in Africa. That one over there. That's a very beautiful sunset. That one. Man, that one over there. Very beautiful sunset. Very beautiful sunset. Very beautiful sunset. Hey. Finally, guys, I'm here. In case you're wondering, it's your first time to watch me. This is my workplace here. Okay, this one over there. It is where I work. And the reason I'm coming to work at this time of the day, if you have watched my video, you know I've not been here the whole day. I'm going to the village for the burial. I lost my young uncle at a very young age of 24. He was a police officer. He accidentally shot himself and ended his life. So that's where I'm coming from. So I've not been here the whole day. That's why you see me coming here at this time of the day. Yep. So I need to do a few things and then I can officially go home. Yes. It's Bruno Aganaga. So guys, that is Bruno Aganaga.
Yes, Mr. Dutton.
You know him, he's always there. He has a YouTube channel also. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm okay. How was your day?
My day, of course, it was somehow good. Yeah, so what about you?
Fair.
Fair. Hey, Mr. Dutton Vlogs, you're lost man.
I'm there.
Where are you coming from?
The last time we met, the last time people watched you on my channel, it's when we had gone to buy a phone.
Hey!
This is the phone, guys, we had gone to buy. You remember? Last time we were in town. We had gone to buy some phone and it's already here. So what's up? You're good. How is the channel?
The channel is moving faster.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is growing. An artist that we have bought some
now
machines.
you have new equipment.
Yeah,
the last time I saw you buying a phone stand also.
Yeah, it's also there. And actually, over the weekend, I shot a video.
So is it already there?
Yeah, it's already there and people are enjoying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell your people to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
People kindly go on YouTube, search AB Media UG. That channel is a sports channel. Make sure you like, you share, but the most importantly, you subscribe to our channel. We say Mind Games, victory awaits.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's Bruno Aganaga for you guys. He also has a YouTube channel, AB Media UG. So kindly go and support him, you know.
turanturanga cyo kunywa ikiri kwetwa power on ngwamani gagaruceho amashanyarazi gagaruceho omucyara nsindikanjake ayake omwami nsindikanjake ayake. Therefore the hoods abahusi and the gods abagotomeza benywizi abanyi mwena mushemererwe kandi mugira amagara marungi mugire kunanuka nkoko mukama wanje yantumire.
Hey, I have Mr. Kirincha over here.
Yes.
Say hello to the people.
Hey guys, this is Kirincha Tabet Uganda, representing to the Furious.
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you? You're welcome back
from where?
You told me that they are burying your uncle.
I lost someone.
And he's so resting in eternal peace.
So how is life so far?
We are cool, bro.
Money is there.
Not as such, but we try.
How are doctors there?
They are okay.
Especially those ones from the laboratory.
Yeah, those guys. They need to see you.
Okay.
By the way, they told me if you want test anything, you can.
So you're so koje. So guys, that man over there is a doctor.
Yes.
So if you want, you can
To do what?
Guy was no. Akure inem. Guys ekungura mnanyaka soda. So guys, I will have to end this video from here. Anyway, I don't know, but if I thought I end the video from here, thank you so much. But if I still have something to do, I will see you later. But for now, I'll first do a few things and then see how the day ends.
Yes.